Wow.
But anyway, yeah. I don't want to be formal about it. But there are people that you look up to, which are celebrities. People you can't reach to. People you can't talk to. People you can't express how you feel. But you look up to them. People who are close to you and who are making it in life, you don't look up to them. Or understand, you always have something to say about them. Like, that is negative. You can't express or look at the positive side of what they do. When I was a Christian, there was nothing wrong about it. I loved being a Christian. You understand? There's this atmosphere you feel when you worship. There's this... the Holy Spirit is there. Just because I'm a Sangoma does not mean I do not understand. I understand what Christians feel. I understand who they are. I understand, like, when the Holy Spirit comes to you, you feel different. You feel holy. And you feel like a sinner. But you being a sinner, you don't judge yourself. You accept who you are. There's a difference between when you are in church singing and when you are home. In church, because everyone's spirit is the same there, or it wants to be the same, because you want to connect with the Holy Spirit or with Jesus, whatever you believe in at that time. When you sing songs like bow down and worship, like you understand, because you want to see the unseen. You want to understand this person that you don't know. So, being black is guys, I'll understand.
We do.
You don't understand, Dilrato.
I do.
Being black, being a black kid is one of the best feelings ever. Because, as I was saying earlier, there's a difference between connecting with your ancestors and wanting to connect with your ancestors as a spiritual person. And you can be a spiritual person, but you don't have to utwase. You guys don't understand. No, you don't understand. You can be a spiritual person, but you don't have utwase. You just need to be spiritual so that you can connect with the unconnected. Understand? When I say that, it's not everyone who can talk to their ancestors. Imagine your great-grandkids or your great-grandfathers. They want to connect with you. You're special. Not special. I'm so special. I'm so special. That's why I get a little pain. Because now you understand that the importance of my ancestors in my life. Understand? I'm still going far. I'm still going to drive a Lamborghini. I'm still going to own one of the biggest houses. Not that I'm bragging, it's because I understand. Understand the assignment that my ancestors want. We should understand my ancestors and your ancestors, they want to listen to you. Let's stop saying Minamado's army, our Tandi week, Minamado's army. Listen, what do you want? They chose you to facilitate you. Now it's your time to tell them what is it that you want. Understand? It's your time to tell them now it's my time. You are so blindfolded by lack of knowledge that when somebody shares the knowledge that you have, you look at the negativity in it. You don't look at the positive side. What I'm saying to you is, you don't believe Guti, you can be beautiful, have beautiful kids, have a handsome man, have a lovely house. You only think Guti, what? I can have it all. Understand? I can have a handsome husband, like my husband is handsome. Like, what the fuck? But this handsome. Understand? My kids are cute. Even from my previous relationships, I want. Because I want to look every day and say, I haven't done this, let me do it. And then you've got data for days. You want to post shit. You posting shit, what does that have to do with me? If you've got a problem, face me and see how am I going to take that. You're not getting anything. What are you gaining? Understand? Imagine grandfather wa mama, what a welling now. Guys, there's nothing wrong about Christianity. The problem about it is when you become stereotyped and thinking that other people are not better. I've been into Christianity, I understood, I was prophesying in church, I was doing things that's why I'm saying the Holy Spirit lives. Because I was once there. I'm not hearing my hearsays. No, I was once there. Who was connecting with me that time? Who was telling me if I was around to when I was a Christian? Who? Because I didn't accept my calling. I was not partnering. I was not lighting candle and pepper. So who was telling me good one and this is your problem? It is the Holy Spirit. Because at that time I believed in the Holy Spirit. I'm ready. I'm ready. At that time I believed in the Holy Spirit. So whatever you want, whatever baby, whatever you believe in, will work for you.
Exactly.
Whatever, be it a stone, be it a bottle of water, be it yourself. You can be greater than anything you want. Just believe, just talk. You are not umuti, like I was saying. Umuti. We are kulumiswa. If I'm kulumiswa, it won't do its job. Umutu komisa wena umuti. Ustonga kanani wena.
Rautla hle baba. No baba re o fila rautla. Siyakuza. Baba rautla. Yey hle batho.
No.
Libra ka ya bofana. Rautla.
You don't understand.
We do baba.
If umuti awusebenzi ungakhulumisanga. You understand? So what does that say about you? What does that say about you? It means there's power in you.
Exactly.
Because in order for lento le isebenze, mele uyikhulumise. Umuntu osichitho mawufuta, uyakhuluma ukuthi aphume imali emuyi. So if awukhulumi, nothing will happen. That shows that whatever you say, whatever you say, the power of the tongue. Even if you go to the Bible, the first John, I'm always preaching it. In the beginning of the word, God did not build anything according to the Bible when we go to Christianity. He did not take stones. What builder? He said, let there be. He did not say, let me create. With a let. You understand? Understand? Not you work on when I talk about myself, let there be positivity and happiness in my life. I fucking deserve it. Why am I born? Why was I born? I was born for greatness, darling. I don't fucking care what you say. I was born for
greatness.
And I'm greatness myself. Kiki happiness and I'm nah. I understand. I'm telling you, I understand. God said, let it be. Now, can you walk about to not believe in the Bible? You understand? He said, let there be light. Let there be, let there be, let there be. In the beginning, it was the word. Before any other thing,